Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Little short video on text spacing. If you take your shape tool, you can always select all the nodes of that, and you can move if you hold down your control button, it'll stay on that line. And you can do one letter, you can raise them up, but also you can hold down the shift, control, and the greater or minus or lesser sign. So if we grab the shape or the text tool and place it right there, I'm going to hold down the control, the shift, and the greater sign to the right. And you can space out individually words. Another thing you can do with the control shift in your arrow keys, you can go right here and use your arrow keys to just go along and put, instead of going like this with your text tool, let me get off that. You can always do that, but you can do it individual words by holding down the control, the shift, and that, and use your arrow key. And then you could change that word to bold or change the color of just that one word. And if you wanted to put that word back, hold down the shift and control and use your greater sign going to the, I don't know which one's which, it depends on where the number is. But anyway, the arrow keys and the greater sign holding down the shift and control button. Hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.